EDC Knives Under $100 offer practicality and quality without breaking the bank. These budget-friendly blades feature durable materials, versatile designs, and reliable functionality for daily tasks. With various locking mechanisms, blade shapes, and pocket-friendly sizes, they ensure convenience and performance at an accessible price point. Ideal for anyone seeking affordable yet dependable cutting tools, these EDC knives prove that quality and functionality can come at an affordable cost. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 8. Sog Vision Arc is an innovative folding knife engineered for precision and durability. Featuring a 3.78-inch cryogenically heat-treated stainless steel blade, this knife ensures exceptional edge retention and strength, suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. Its arc locking mechanism offers smooth, ambidextrous deployment and secure locking for reliable use. The GRN, glass-reinforced nylon, handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, complementing the ergonomic design for prolonged usage. With a low-profile reversible pocket clip for convenient carry and a versatile Tanto-style blade for piercing and slicing, the Sog Vision Arc showcases a perfect balance of functionality and craftsmanship, appealing to outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and those seeking a reliable, high-performance folding knife for everyday use or tactical applications. Number 7. Gerber Pocket Square represents a harmonious blend of modern design and functionality in an everyday carry knife. Boasting a 3-inch fine-edge drop-point blade made of high-quality 7x17 mauve stainless steel, it delivers precise cutting performance for everyday tasks. Its frame lock mechanism ensures safe use and convenient one-handed deployment, while the machined aluminum handle provides a sleek, ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. With a low-profile pocket clip designed for discreet and secure carry, the Pocket Square embodies Gerber's commitment to practicality and style, appealing to urban adventurers and EDC enthusiasts seeking a reliable, compact knife that seamlessly merges contemporary aesthetics with everyday utility. Number 6. Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight EDC Folding Knife epitomizes reliability and functionality in a lightweight design. Featuring a 3.39-inch high-performance CPMS 45VN stainless steel blade, this knife offers exceptional cutting ability and edge retention, ideal for everyday carry and utility tasks. Its full flat grind blade ensures precision in slicing while maintaining durability for tougher cutting jobs. The FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Equipped with a liner lock mechanism for secure blade deployment and a 4-position pocket clip for customizable carry options, the Tenacious Lightweight is an outstanding choice for EDC enthusiasts seeking a durable, high-performance folding knife that effortlessly combines cutting prowess with practicality in a compact package. Number 5. Schrade SCH306 is a versatile and reliable folding knife renowned for its durability and functionality. Crafted with precision, this knife features a sturdy 3.5-inch stainless steel drop-point blade, ensuring exceptional cutting performance and resilience. Its ergonomic aluminum handle provides a comfortable grip and stability during use, while the liner lock mechanism ensures safe handling and convenient one-handed deployment. With its sleek design and practicality, this SCH306 serves as a dependable everyday carry tool, suitable for various tasks from outdoor activities to everyday cutting needs. Whether camping, hiking, or tackling daily chores, the Schrade SCH306 stands out as a robust and dependable companion for any adventure or task at hand. Number 4. Kershaw Epistle Folding Knife for Everyday Carry is a perfect companion for everyday carry, blending functionality with sleek design. Crafted with high-quality 8-tier 13 mauve stainless steel, its 3-inch drop-point blade ensures durability and reliable performance for various tasks. The knife's manual opening, facilitated by a flipper or thumb stud, offers quick accessibility. Its G10 handle provides a secure grip while maintaining a lightweight profile, making it comfortable for extended use. With a reversible pocket clip for convenient carry and a sturdy frame lock ensuring safety during use, the Kershaw Epistle stands out as a versatile and practical choice for anyone seeking a dependable everyday carry knife. Number 3. CRKT's Swindle EDC Folding Pocket Knife embodies a perfect balance of innovative design and functionality, making it an exceptional everyday companion. Featuring a distinct, slim and sleek profile, this Ken Onion-designed knife boasts a 3.2-inch modified drop-point blade made from high-quality 8-tier-14 mauve steel, ensuring durability and optimal cutting performance. Its unique, smooth IKBS pivot system allows for swift, effortless blade deployment, while the stainless steel handle with a supple groove design ensures a comfortable grip. The pocket clip, designed for tip-up carry, adds convenience, while the frame lock mechanism guarantees secure blade locking during use. The Swindle stands out as a sophisticated and reliable everyday pocket knife that seamlessly combines style and utility. Number 2. Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight Signature Folding Knife is an exemplary blend of ergonomics, functionality, and lightweight design, perfect for everyday carry enthusiasts. Crafted with premium CTS BP1N stainless steel, the 2.92-inch plain edge blade offers exceptional cutting performance, while its full flat grind enhances slicing efficiency. The textured bi-directional FRN handle provides a secure grip and remarkable durability without adding unnecessary weight. Its patented compression lock mechanism ensures reliable and easy one-handed blade deployment and closure. With a reversible deep carry wire pocket clip for versatile carry options and a lanyard hole for added convenience, the Para 3 Lightweight stands as a versatile, high-performance tool that caters to the demands of everyday tasks with precision and ease. Number 1. Gerber Fastball EDC Folding Knife is a remarkable choice for those seeking a combination of precision, durability, and rapid deployment in their everyday carry arsenal. Boasting a 3-inch Warncliffe blade crafted from high-quality S30V steel, it ensures exceptional edge retention and cutting performance. Its ball bearings pivot system enables swift, smooth, and reliable one-handed opening using the ambidextrous thumb studs. The anodized aluminum handle provides a comfortable and secure grip while maintaining a lightweight profile, complemented by a deep carry pocket clip for convenient and discreet carry. Engineered with a robust liner lock mechanism, the Fastball ensures blade safety during use, making it a reliable and efficient tool for tackling daily tasks with ease and precision.